What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to do a battery replacement on a 2009 Toyota Venza. This repair is quite easy and doesn't require a lot of tools to complete. All you really need is a 10mm wrench and a trim panel tool. If you have a socket and a ratchet, it does make it a lot easier, but all you really need is the wrench. Alright guys, to start the repair, let's find and pull the hood release. Next, make your way to the front of the car and feel under the hood in the middle for the hood latch release. Find the hood prop and prop the hood up. Remove the panel cover in the front covering the radiator and the condenser. The cover is held down by two types of trim panel body clips. For the bigger body clips, all you have to do is pry the middle out, then pry the outside. And for the smaller ones, all you have to do is carefully push down the middle and pry out the outside. Once they're all off, pull off and put to the side. Next, we'll remove the battery hold down. The battery hold down is held down by one 10mm bolt going to the upper radiator support and one 10mm nut that holds down a hook type fastener to the back with a hole on it. Remove both nut and bolt. Once those are removed, remove the hook out of the hole and put the battery hold down to the side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the battery clamp on the negative side terminal of the battery. I always recommend starting with the negative terminal, then making your way to the positive side. Once the negative clamp is out of your way, do the same on the positive side. If your battery clamp has a lot of corrosion like mine, it will tend to stick to the battery terminal. A good way to separate that battery clamp from the terminal is to stick a flathead screwdriver right down the middle and pry it out so that the clamp spaces out, then pry it upwards. Once you get that clamp free, remove the battery and put it to the side. If your battery clamps are dirty, I do recommend cleaning it off with a steel wire brush, just getting all that corrosion off before it makes its way down the wire. Keep in mind that this corrosion is actually battery acid, and unlike me, you should be wearing gloves. Next guys, grab your new battery and drop that sucker in. When you drop that sucker in, make sure the battery is actually centered on the battery tray underneath. Reinstall the battery hold down. When installing, please be careful, making sure that your battery hold down doesn't touch the positive and negative terminal at the same time. When reinstalling that hook or J-bolt in the rear, make sure that the hook goes into the hole before tightening it down with the 10mm bolt and the 10mm nut. Reinstall the positive terminal first, then tighten down with your 10mm wrench. Then work your way to the negative terminal and do the same. There may be a spark when reinstalling the negative terminal, but don't worry, don't get scared, that's completely normal. Lastly, reinstall the cover in the front. When reinstalling, make sure that cover clears the hood latch and sits flush. Use the trim panel body clips to re-secure that cover down so that it's not loose and flopping around. After you're done changing the battery, you're gonna want to start your car. For most Toyotas, Lexuses, and some other Asian cars, the first crank will always die out after changing your battery. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just turn it off and try again. It will run. Congratulations guys, you now know how to do a battery on a 2009 Toyota Venza. If you guys found this video informative or just enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Thanks for watching.